The impact of this Pelosi trip, and what do you read into the reaction to it? Does it move us, or does it move Taiwan closer to a more dangerous situation? And do you think that China is planning an invasion?
Martha, I don't think there's any doubt that Xi Jinping is intent on taking Taiwan. He calls it reunification. We know that it is the destruction and the violation of the sovereignty of an independent nation. Even Kirby used the language, says we still need to defend Taiwan, even though he went wobbly when he talked about the history there. The Chinese are a bit tiresome on this, Martha, I'll be honest with you. They overreact to silly things like a visit from a parliamentarian from a free nation and threaten all kinds of silly stuff. We shouldn't be on defense here. We're doing the right thing. Speaker Pelosi did the right thing by traveling there after we were threatened, not letting the Chinese Communist Party bully us. I think Xi Jinping's plans didn't change one iota because of Speaker Pelosi's visit. I think his plans remain the same. He may use this as a pretext to mess around for a while. What we can't do is be on defense. We have to take a series of actions that demonstrate real American resolve. And if we do those things, we can push back against the CCP's threats, not only on Taiwan, but here in our homeland as well.
Just have 20 seconds, but I thought it was interesting. John Kirby said we will continue to manage what Beijing decides to do. Roughly. That's not verbatim, but roughly.
Yeah, that's backwards. It should be the Chinese Communist Party that fears what America will do, that it fears American strength. Economic power from the United States of America is something that can put the Chinese Communist Party at enormous risk. We should support the Chinese people. We should pressure the Chinese Communist Party, and we can convince them not to behave in the very ways we've seen them behave these last handful of days.